right? So uh, right, so guys, let's continue. Are you winning? Right. Patience, are you still with us? What about the other one? How many are you online? Okay. So for creating a table, we say create table and table name. Customize our table name. Create table is our command to create. Then customer, you can put any table that you want to create there. So we said the customer ID is our key, and it's a primary key. So we say it's an int, which means it's an integer. Identity, we say it auto increments starting from 1 as a primary key, right? Then customer name is int, and our constraint there is not now, and we are sorry, customer number is not now, and we are doing a unique check, right? And it should start from 0. Then last name, it should be of length, a variable character of length 30, and not now. First name, Vaka 30, not now. Area code, it's a default 7100. Address is Vaka 50. You see that the name address there is used, but it's a reserved word. We must always try to avoid that. We can use it. It accepts. What? The name address. For us, it's the address of the location. Yeah. Because it's a reserved word. It works still, but not advisable. Then country Vaka and default is Malaysia, which means if someone doesn't put anything, it defaults to Malaysia. Are we there? Right. Are you winning fixer laptop yako patience? Right. That's fine.
You are going to go in person?
Hmm?
We're not taking.
Right. If you are winning, if you are successful, you can refresh around right. Oh, which means that she never next. Can I win say that? So we are saying insert into custom values and we put open quotes. So we said the order of the values that we are inserting should be followed. Yeah, ukamisa maybe utaita string mawati ile, so it will not hit. No. Here in this case, we have said our customer ID is an identity. It means it's auto include. So that one we don't put. So we start with customer. Yes. Shaman, are you winning? So we can try to, those who are writing, you can try to insert this one, only this one. Wangwapa? Aba. Okay, you can go ahead and insert those two. Also H3. So what you have to do is, it is in the chain. We do this. What? Why is it this one is? You use single quotes in that. So always try to run a code your way. One not is now clear and smart. When you work to scroll out and out, finish about me. So you can write, you should select only two winner. Is as na pressure stroke. Yati command completed to refresh. So table ya balance custom with some tables. And you see what we say? We say if you run your code will be created in this table database. So that's why we say you use that command reduce what, then you put the database name, or you can come here or select because I don't have table also not there created. Ukachirana table ukazorefresh mpana table yako ya create, do that.
Alfred, to the question, what's the difference between double quotes and single quotes?
Some versions accept double quotes and some doesn't. That's the difference. We used to enclose my strings and other data types, except numbers.
Even if it's double quotes, no, accept.
No, SQL Safer doesn't accept.
I accept my double
I think that document is using double quotes.
No, double quotes for quote.
No, we use single quotes. Yeah. For this one, we use single quotes. I think there are some versions which use double. I think it should be MySQL or Oracle. We use single quotes. Are you successful? Yeah. It's now there. Expand on table. It's now there, right? Or you can. So write a select statement. Select all from G. From custom. Select all from custom. That one is coming from my head. It's not. Select all from custom. Chinyat, where are you? You are done with inserting.
Yeah, I just inserted like one line. Customer.
The first one.
No, the second one. That is one line.
Okay, that's fine. So can you select all?
table columns.
Amuna chini. So please do the inserting. Kanga insert one year pass. Yeah. Double click. Oh wait, takati ndiani? This star. Yes, atinyore O in this star. Ndo O. So you put a star. Ndo O. Right. Yeah. You highlight that zero and run.
Inserting to
Run. Now we have your, but I'm starting managing that at certain insert anything, right? So insert that the last one. Your patience.
which is the
The last one.
yeah, mafunga.
Yes. Or you can put your name there. Yeah, just put your name. Don't put someone's name. Put yours. Right? Are we successful?
Yes.
Right, that's fine. Can we run select O? Can I select O before? Right. You see what's there? There's a bracket. For each record there's a bracket. Then after the bracket you put a comma. They are not just division. So in between your columns you put what? The commas. And for each record you put brackets.
Customer number tunakuisha data chini. Customer ID
Taswira. We need to
1.1 update. What do we mean? That's 1.1.
Let's select from that table. You did that.
Yeah, select all.
What did you get?
Yeah, enter.
All right, so that's more of it. So we did what? We did definition and what? Query. Data definition when we were creating the table, and then we are querying from. Let's maybe let's put one more. Maybe your wife or whatever. Let's put one more.
So that's 101.
Calculate that. I think let's put two. Let's put two more. I take 3 gonna 4 my values. But to insert, let's insert two or more. The more, if you are fast, when I say stop, I don't go we use those one. Tashika. Wana mangani? 3. Can you just select the order? Select the order from customer. Select the highlight the order. Ndodango select. Ndoita select statement. Run that. Magic. Or insert it. Insert name and values. You see what you are doing? You only put up to surname. You left all those. What did you define in your? First name will follow Shunshirado. Utangani, or like we say it. Primary key. This create table custom and one more columns out. We said customer ID is it's auto generated. Right? You don't need to create it. So and now put insert intangira customer now. We should be greater than say. So you must put reset. You must put the customer number, last name, first name, area code, country. Yes, but that's a H2. What did you leave out? Address on your column. Your order you create now, right? Maya, the real deal hasn't begun yet. Saka zvimwe zvacho ka chatozosiya, we just introduce them, then unoita, then anenge afesa challenge moya nei apapi mainseta vangani koyo
Ndaiseta hangu tonoti 1 2 3 4 ona era from the one
right amucha mainseta vangani
apa pandasiya deliberately default to Malaysia.
not default. So
but apa munhu anenge achi it's not inini anenge achienda anditi
apa asimudziwe
ndona kusiya pari empty ndikupaisa makosi pari empty
apa ndipo rutaura
usandonyora kuti default
yeah
ndinoisa makosi andokonyora kuti default
default is a reserved word, so you don't need to put quotes. Right.
Incorrect syntax.
Syntax is correct. Right. Step up. Area code like this country. Also in your area. Hmm? You wanna go customer ID, customer number, last name, first name, area code. Or specified default. Yeah, you can put the area was 10,000. Was area code debited int. Right. My number is my code. Then you go next. Address yedu inenge ifacho. Semba we. You put my codes. 325 what to is what. So you put my codes. Because it's a facho. Basinya masuk mawina. Alright. What's tada ku introduce zvimwe next. Zvinhu zvakakosha. Mawina recho.
Area code about what are we saying?
Area code is integer.
It's an integer. It's an integer.
Saka uise macodes.
Yeah, I don't have numbers in my course, but that's how much you require and what's the tone,
right? Hyper about select all, right? But at ISISU, we don't encourage that for best practice because it overloads our database, right? So what we now want to do is we only want to select certain columns, right? Tine customer ID, customer number, last name, first name, area code, address, ne country. So select for me customer ID, right? Last name, first name, ne country only. Are you successful?
Select from customer.
Right. Rana yedu. Come up with a mouse. Because not put every time about setting it's one thing. One row affected. Change the one with a select box. You must now see what you have inserted. Madam, select the customer ID, last name, first name, ne country. Only those four. No, just select all. What's why insert so you want to see what's there. Execute. Right. Record your gadra. You are inserting into. So we say first we create the database. After database, we create the table. After the table, we insert data into the table. So for select all, we are just saying we want to view what's in the table. Yes. So you can insert another record. So when you want to insert another record, you are now inserting another one. You do the same. You open you put a comma and answer another record. You open code. Maybe you can put your sister or your brother or someone else.
Customer ID, last name and first name. First name
and country. So best practice is you write your column names as it's for 3 minutes. Kuti kunyora ari kogwe. Vanonetsa masiya koma. I am a cleaner. Victoria gave me a those are streets. You put my quotation. Can actually do that on this. No matter that is. Actually,
Deixa você dizer,
não para onde vai.
And you want to check out why Ginang is in era from the countries in the city.
Oh, up. We play era both and maximum cost. No fun some brackets. For each record, you put my brackets.
But apa aja is nama brackets.
But
Udah.
my side one, it was a get one. But the Rama way up, you are opening the pot and why more para. You are not going to do it. So you do the same for it. It's a home. Each record should be inside my bracket. Yes.
I thought you were covering
No.
Kako ilo bracket like admin kita isa uko ayah kita masih.
You don't dere face the record. Should but if I don't be
That's where I was.
so I'm trying to find it.
Yeah. Number of columns.
So we are doing that way grammar, but they say this way. But me, like, select what. So what you do, just highlight. Oh, no, you don't need to go. Just highlight. You should do. You should put my space.
You don't have a human deposit tax area. Kita akan dapat upload. Kita jawab
So what you do is so we can look. This is not the best practice. Maybe I don't need the area code. Maybe I don't need the email address. But I just need I didn't need customer number. Not customer. You can't select all. So instead of all,
Select insert into customers.
human deposit tax area.
All right. What's how many column names should you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Apa dong? Waktu muda cuma pale pasina ko because first name ni say national ko national secretary ko
Unoseparate.
Separate.
Right.
Separate any space. Not in a column.
First name and last name, they are two different columns. Alright.
I don't want to tell apa tu separate kan mako como separate por itari mesh
Serious?
serious
Why?
I just okay pois maybe
Correct. Line another problem there. What are we saying?
hapana separate tofauti na mtandao hapana
Wanakoma wanasiku. So make sure we not to big no kuuraira basi. Saka koma ndo kwamba si.
badanga kupa
You select that. You set int. It's one statement.
even I code I record tempo inside
Hivi nimepana kwa error because ana so for we comment over run was irimo was anti for the unique
barabara najo apa
kana kwa error ini guys not run
wale kina ndo rain
yes so which means je sais right sita run yati four rows affected uchita select yako yambo ita before here ngonyora
ndo na select
yeah select the column ya sabuda right so that's how we do it we say we must not use select all because it doesn't yes
apa but you select giving ma column names tunashan kutana ma palette select custom select custom select custom select select copy and custom so select this and you append this before there is a command don't see
space ndio
ati upon customer
usishanti kana barua dosia so what is it saying? Violation of unique key constraint what? Cannot insert duplicate on it. Value 100. Wabo insert it. Wabo insert, which means you can't. So what would you constraint? You don't program here, but it's enforcing. Duplicate. So what you have to do? Highlight this. To highlight that you don't go in the app. Much master. Right. Execute. One rows what affected. So it means you can't put duplicates. So we are to select. What about? You can add another one, but make sure that one go hero. But you are now repeating wrong ways. So that's what we are saying constraints. They are enforcing. We must not have duplicates. So it's now enforcing. Right. So I think everyone is up to speed. Right. Let's move. Still using our right. So the display or the selector is selected few columns. So I think that's now clear. So code your way to garage to save here. save it somewhere. Not control S, we save somewhere, right? Now we want to alter a table. Maybe suppose after you create your table, was not discovered, no, I forgot with a phone number in database. I must capture a phone number for each individual. So we use the command run to alter, right? So we say alter table. We put the table name. Alter table, that's the command. Then the table name.
SQL is sensitive, more space. They say that all the table is on the 3 more space.
I see sensitive, but just have a unique way of doing it. They're consistent, but in the spaces are not necessary. Code you're going to tanga with a fun, right? The that alter table custom. Then you go to the second line. We are just
This is the same column.
no. It's one sentence, but we just want to make it smart. Yes, it's one sentence, but throughout it will look nice. Yes. So that alter table custom table ADI add alter table customer add phone number. Vaka 20. Unoziva kuti hapana phone number inodarika 20 characters. Usually anenge ari maybe ikatoendesa anenge ari ma 13 vatangoisa pa 20, right? Saka tichi alter table ichi customer add phone number vaka 20. Tasvika ipapa? Wasvika here chameni? Phone number is one word. Kana wada uri separate wakona kuisa makodzi. True, but yeah, kana kuisa underscore. But if before you were combining, which means you need to be consistent in how you are naming them. Kana ngoisa underscore, put underscore. Kana ngoisa space, you keep putting. Kana ngoisa button needs. For uniformity, right? So let's select that line and execute.
But can also not close. I know what I'm
close.
It's the same column.
I know Rana says SQL in that intelligence to know. Yeah, this line is ending here. But for you to see unongwesa masemicolon and kuisa ma comments. My comments are editing a table. Right? Rara naye. Ngatirani select all yedu here. Rara. Ngatirani select all from customer ID here. Tunakona kuti column iyo yamwe. Mira wewe ushunguruza. Chaga mouse. Right. Kana iPhone. Iri kudai kachi? What? Naweza constraint. And it's not only mavalis angataisa kudara saka yaita se.
Yes, now both of us.
Atina amuna mavalis. Tataisa pebeta atina yanga isimu column phone number ngezi. Saka tikazono iedera inongo assign now to zviri existing already. Tatanga uiseta data column racho risipo. But patazonoisa column inongonoisa now kuma values at data tamboisa. All right. So maybe our column phone number doesn't have a not now constraint, which means it's accepting now. You don't maybe it is not now constraint. So for that one, I don't think we need to explain much. It is simple command. Yeah.
But it's not now. Apa ini nggak kubudisa rese.
Yeah. Pane zvazva iswa before inobudisa ari manamba. But pane zvaucha next inokurambi.
Yeah, because of that constraint.
Yes. So that's it. So we should remember that maybe we create a database rako, now you need to make changes, right? So right, we now want to update customer wedu one, tikaita select all, tine customer ID mangani? Inotangira pana 1 kuenda kusvika pachi 1 kuenda yako haina 2 because I think pane yawambotry kuinseta yeye. So 1 3 4 5 ne 6 and
1 3 4 5 and 8.
saka toda kuselecta, alright, tese tine customer ID 1 and uyu yaita because waranaka unaona this is and I am right here. That's why it consistent. So suppose we now want to update phone number, the customer ID one. So we use the update command. Okay, customer ID one, phone number I get now, but I create a table that's now is a column H. So we say update custom. I like it and I end up a new line. It's one sentence. Don't confuse. Update customer, set phone number equals to maybe we phone number ya weba, but our phone number is what? Ifak. It's not a number, it's FAQ. The phone number is FAQ. Huh?
Phone number is a string.
Yes, it's a string. Plus 263, that's not a number, it's a FAQ.
Oh.
Was in plus 263 space.
Any special character,
yeah, plus. Yeah, so it's no longer a number, it's a
FAQ. In quotes.
Yes, we put it in quotes. So update customer set phone number equals to, we search phone number in quotes where
2 6
so it's a chirika line kana wapeza umera imwe code unofana kuchirika line so tuone
where
yes avandi
where customer ID
or oisa comment kana
is equals
to what are you now doing? We are now updating.
It's equals to 1.
Updating the code so that you know can also refine. You know to type here. Kana kwa tu oisa comment to order. Sana sasa kwa
Customer ID is equals to 100.
Rugara kuna watu notenda muri wero.
Customer ID. Ayo ingesiri 1.
ID was 1.
And it's 1C. 102 incorrect syntax.
Matorana. Please musarani. Atautora naye. Yapera record. Right, mapa. Where customer ID equals to 1. This one. Ngonyora reto. Yati.
Syntax in that door syntax.
Yaran. All right. Run select all. Customer ID why some codes.
Customer ID is my codes.
All right. So I run. Right. Why are we putting away? Have to introduce something. Away clause is a statement. It's a field. We said that when you are updating, when you are deleting, make sure there is a field. So a filter is a where clause where we are saying we are selecting something. What's the right angle to update customer set phone number equals to what? Yeah, but I'm going to update one phone number for everyone. You see? So now we are selecting for a particular what? That's
Padati way hakuna future kuti pari kunobata inobata 00 customer ID 1.
yes. So because I said that filter, you are mesa database rate. So you have to make sure when you are working with update, delete, you put a filter. One for now. Maybe it's the same customer. Or just have one for number. Yeah. That situation can be there. Okay, we will answer that. Test aber testa winner. System. Taita select all. But it select all. Yeah, yeah, I'm over for now. Right. So that's how we can move near to know to Ashika. Check for now. It's now there, right? So which means you have updated. Let's do for customer number 3. I think everyone and customer number 3. Gati say another phone number. Kana vari kuti havachaone screen. Confirm you can see my screen, guys. Hello? It's not visible. Right. So, for those who are watching online, so for me, let me do this. Okay. So right. So for me, yeah. So for me, kunyora makodzi enyama nyora. Right. So those who are online, we were explaining to say we now have our table. Right. I will explain what. Sorry. Confirm. Okay. So I was saying, insert data. You were with the ASCAP. Insert data ready. But we are saying we want to update. Select all from customer tine data ready iri. But suppose right select all from custom, right, ndobva ndaenda apa ndobva ndati execute yobva yandibudidzira. But suppose patadesigner database redu takakanganwa kuedhera phone number, so I will say update. Toda kuupdata table yedu tiise column yecustomer number, update customer set ayo sorry, we use alter table. Hello, it's not rule number disappear. Confirm. So we want to add the column column ratoda kuedha isusu rinonzi phone number. Add phone number voucher 20 like this. So let's execute. Completed successfully. Let's select all. Right, you can see that for all the previous records that I did, the phone number is now. So we now want to update. Suppose we are doing maybe customer KYC. It's now, we now want to update. We now have the record. I'm now saying update what? Customer, set phone number. So when you just type, you receive it. So I just phone number equals to 0773412887. Where this is very important because we are filtering. If I don't put this where customer ID equals to 1, if I don't put this, it will update for everyone, which is wrong, right? So I do this, execute, row 1 row affected, then I select. I should see, oh, there is about 3. I said customer number instead of what? Yeah. So I want to correct that. Set customer number equals to what? It was 100, right?
Error message. 100, I see in the beginning. I see string.
No, that's not the error. That's not the error. I'm in violation of a unique key constraint. So what I did is like I deleted. So it's now in the record that we have it. So maybe let me change it to 10. So you first. Hello? What's happening with this network? Guys. Network yakadhakwa. So let's try 102. It has worked, right? So that time I wanted to update what? Phone number, right? So these are some of the errors that you can encounter.
But when ndikamba maerrors ako especially uchidzidza
right?
blend.
Right, one row affected. Right, it's now there. Right, suppose I don't put this. Let me comment this. Suppose let me 821717. Those who are interested in phone numbers, you can take and text. Someone will answer you. Okay, so I have removed what? My field. Let me run it. It will run. 3 rows affected. Let's see. You see the dangers.
Where future is very important.
It's very important. Yeah, maybe, but I can still. Right? That's also Raguchi. Now, what was your question?
Like maybe want to affect
3 or more. Okay. All right. Suppose I just want to. So it's now. I was about to explain it in the future, but let me explain it now. So we have operators. We have equal sign. We have greater than. Equal sign. We have greater than. We have less than. We have equal to. Right. So this is greater than. We have less than. We have less greater than or equal to. We have less than or equal to. And we have what we call in. So in this case, in your case, we use what we call in command. In command, it's written like this. So I want to maybe to affect only maybe customer 1 and customer 2, they share the same phone number, right? I'll say where customer ID in what? In 1 and what? 2, like this. And it's only affecting these two. 2 rows affected. Let's see. That's a now. Yeah, so we use the in command.
So in information seven reference that
I even want it. Even the one, it still works, but it's usually for multiple conditions. Yeah, maybe multiple items. So we use the in command. All right, that's fine. I think
bracket.
yes, there are brackets. You put my brackets, then you separate. If there are numbers, the rule of if there are strings, the rule of chords still applies. Yes.
Also, it's just the same method that actually somebody just set the values into
Yeah.
almost the same.
Now guys, I'm still not convinced. 0773 is a string.
We defined our number as what? As vaka.
Is vaka.
Mm.
Okay. Consider we define as vaka.
We can't define this as a number because we don't know kuti munhu achaisa plus 263 here, munhu achaisa 077 here. If maybe if you are to say kana akangoti 77, so it's what, unless we are now enforcing, there's a way of enforcing. Takutoshandisa maybe anoti regular expression to say kuti phone number yes it should start with plus 263 or it should start with 77, then we can then say maybe it's a number, but this is not a number. Yes. we are putting our own constraints, right? It's not the general one. We are putting what suits our business.
So in SQL, if we vaka yakutongotora even if it is a number.
A vaka inotora everything, even ukaisa number inopinda. But if you say it's a int, of course your name cannot fit there. So vaka it accepts everything. Yes, even my special characters. All right, so that's it. So remember the filter and my operators tatwaka greater than, maybe I would say panap per select panap. For you guys, we have said it's not good to select everything, right? I need customer ID. So for me, I like to write Ndichidzika. Last name. Saka ukati select from obva waisa table name yacho inenge yakutokupa mahints. Obva waisa table yacho ukati select obva wati from table name inokupa mahints. So zvinogona kusevhera time yekutype. Maybe ndogona kuti country. So not always use the O. We should select only the columns that we want. So tani ma columns angani 4, right? Suppose I want to use ma filter angu aya, where customer ID yedu it's an integer. So this will work because ndoda kushandisa ma operators ma greater than anoshanda kuma number. They are used for numbers. I need where ID is greater than 1. Let me see what comes out. Let's write that. Pane script redu ratambo select ma columns reari. Let's just add the field. Do you have it right? Shaman, unaomba select ma columns. You are behind. Yes, please do that. Saka I'm going to add a field. Filter is very important because rinokubatsira kuselect only zvauri kuda. Maybe I have sales for 5 years. Or maybe just say I need where year is equals to 2025. I will say where year is less than 2025. Where year is greater than 2022. Something like that.
And I think it about that alter, we use it when we want to
change the table schema.
Change the table schema, exactly. The table schema is like you're changing the table structure. And then where it's a filter. And then update, we are updating the contents in the table columns. And something like that.
Right. Tashika. So you can put anti greater than. You can put less than. Vashinyati masvika. Shaman, are you there? Imagine. Times it's a farm. So I think tomorrow one concept kacho. I think we can. Hi guys online, can we do it tomorrow as well? I'm trying to avoid Thursday because I have a summer school session. Hello guys, can we do it? Can we do it every day up to Wednesday? Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone here is okay. Or you need some time to grasp. Wait. Huh? Wednesday and Thursday.
Test the answer.
We can do. We can do. Then I will say that ketchup.
But takaisa pesa ndio kuchunga fahamu.
It's okay. We can. So, all right. If you are skipping tomorrow, what we do is when you come Thursday, it means we have gone through the exercise. We tried to implement it. We have questions so that we save time.
Ndio sama kwa si teacher.
Okay. We work with the majority, right? All right, that's fine. All right, so taisama operators edu. Remember, we have the in our chi. We have an having. We will demonstrate those later. So that's it. Let me see if there's anything worth. Right. This update yataitai is the same for deleting, right? Suppose we want to delete the column. Rata darieri. Outer table. Customer. Drop. Column. Tata maybe or not table chandaka create column here it's of no business use. Outer table, customer, drop column, phone number. Sina basa. Towataita sei? Towata execute. Tikazoita select. Oh. Atichisinachi column here. Tasvika teseka. Masvika. Right? Right, we want to delete a record. Delete a record from a table. We said what? For delete and update, what should we do? We should feed. If you delete it, you are going to lose everything. And it's beyond recoverable. For this one, it's auto commit. So I don't think we can for rollback.
Why not rollback?
No. But please don't do always do it. Because rollback, you know, ya machine yako isati yadzima. Ikadzima yato commit. Unless iri kushandira pasafe. So unozoenda kuhearing onzi akadzikisa database rebhengi rese. So use these commands sparingly. Right. So delete. Toda kudelete customer number chi, customer ID 3. Saka tikuti chi. So the command is yakufana update here, but delete from customer. Where customer ID equals to what? 1. Or you can say in 1. In still works in this case. Or you can just say what? No, 30 equals equals to 1. Yeah. But make sure to enjoy someone in. That's what you want to deal with. Everything that's there, yes. Saka two does it? Totally 1 row affected. Let's select.
Syntax error 1.
And in the deleter 1. In the deleter customer ID 1. In my deleter customer ID 1. I see sin. My deleter 1. Yep. Yabva chinyati yabva number 2 saka select all one kuti ichiri mwe
but yangu pa inyaramba wanapfuma pa equal
pane syntax yamavhiringidza inofana right saka ta delete saka this is very key apa kuso highlight ne red kuti kana uchishanda nemacommands aya uite sei
so delete anoshanda if delete anoshanda